Hello, today is June 28, 2016. Today we're going to take a look at the S&P. S&P is in a neutral digestion market state, but sentiment is way above the market at 2037 and a quarter. And we've breached the upside pivot, so we're in this corrective phase here. And we're going to look at the VIX as well, and the VIX has its sentiment bias below the market at 21 and a quarter, and it's also in a neutral digestive market state. So overnight the S&P is broken out, and we are in this hedge strategy theme starting from the directional at 1989 and a quarter, and we're moving higher currently. So take a look at some charts. So here we have a daily. What I've also done is I've plotted the monthly R level here at 2031. So we've got this band between the daily R at 2037 and a quarter and 2031 even. It's really our overhead lid. This is if we're going to sell this rally, this is where we want to sell it. We can see the market moved from overnight from the directional, this 1989 and a quarter level, and putting us in this hedge theme here. And so we've been holding positive structure. We broke out above the upside pivot, and we attained our initial CRX plus. This is the critical range extreme. This is the confirmation point. So they held the confirm, and now they're holding here at 206 and a half. Taking a look at the order book, we do have some good liquidity here off the upside pivot. We'd like to see this continue to build up and then push the market higher through this upper variance for another play at the CRX plus. So we're looking for liquidity to build up here. It's coming down to all the way to 205 and a half, so it's in line with, this is our variance below the upside pivot. So we're looking for this to support the market, build up, and continue to push the market higher, setting up a sell opportunity. If we do get a break-in structure here at the upside pivot and we get a failure from 202 and a half, this is our alert distance, that's going to be a trigger that this is a sell UP reversal, and it's going to put the market back under pressure. Confirmation of a new move lower doesn't happen unless we get below 1989 and a quarter. Here's the VIX daily, and the VIX daily broke below 21 and a quarter. That's the daily R level. Our monthly R level is at 1905. You can see this on the intraday charts. Failure here, and the market's working negative structure. We're anticipating this to continue, and by this continuing lower, we'd expect the S&Ps to continue higher. And then what we're ideally looking for is some confluence where the VIX gives us a positive signal off this 19 and a quarter, 1905 area, telling us this is the bottom, and we get a turn at the same time we're pressing into these areas. If the VIX does stabilize here and we start to price qualify back above 21 and a quarter, get above the 21.75, that's going to be a buy signal, and that's going to trigger this market to the S&Ps to sell off and start to press 1989 and a quarter, and we'd want to see the VIX back above 2360, which is the VIX directional today, to really confirm that this thing's going to roll over there. So in summary, for the S&P, we've been in a hedge strategy theme all morning. We've broken out to the upside above the upside pivot, and we've stalled out at the CRX plus at 2016.75. We're anticipating the market to maintain this positive structure and continue to work higher, potentially even grinding all day a low volatility rally into the later part of the session, approaching this R level at 2031. That's the monthly, or the daily at 2037 and a quarter, and we're looking for an exhaustive sell signal here. Again, if the market does fail and we get back underneath this price action here, confirming below 1997.75, that's going to discount and break this structure and put the market back in a vulnerable position. But we don't really get negative back until we get back underneath the 1989 and a quarter level. Until then, it's more kind of big sideways, and maybe they're going to be set up for a corrective rally tomorrow. Any questions, please feel free to contact me at info@jsservices.com. Thanks.